Hello everyone. In this module, we are going to discuss how to install a TensorFlow in our machine. So these are the following given table of content. First, we will discuss how to install a TensorFlow by using pip, and later we will discuss installation TensorFlow by using Conda. So these are the prerequisites we must have to follow. First, Python must be installed, and second, pip is also installed in our system. By default, Python is not installed in Windows operating system. We must download the required version of Python by python.org website. Now for a proper installation of TensorFlow, just follow the steps. First, you need to open Windows command prompt on your system. You can simply do that by searching cmd on your system in the Windows search box. Now after opening the CMD on your system, the next step you will verify the installation of Python. So before installing TensorFlow, firstly check whether Python is installed on your system or not. To check the version, you can use the command python --version. As you can see the output, the version is 3.10.4. the latest version of Python. Now after checking the Python version, we will install TensorFlow in our command prompt by using pip. So the command is pip install TensorFlow. So it will take some time. So as you can see the output comes from TensorFlow has been successfully installed in a system, and the version is 2.9.1. and if you want to install a specific version of TensorFlow, then you can use the command pip install TensorFlow equals to 2.8.0 and hit the button. So it will take some time, but it install the previous version of TensorFlow. So it will remove the latest version of TensorFlow which we have installed, and also you can install any version of TensorFlow as per your requirement. So as you can see the output comes the TensorFlow latest version has been uninstalled, that is 2.9.1, and 2.8.0 successfully installed in our system. Now to check whether the TensorFlow package is now a part of Python or not, so for this we are going to use the command pip show TensorFlow. So the output displays that you have a TensorFlow package in a system. You can see the output that it displays the version of TensorFlow, that is 2.8.0. Now if you have an old version of TensorFlow and if you want to upgrade to the latest version, then you can easily use the command pip install --upgrade TensorFlow. So as you can see that after executing the upgrading command, it installed the old version of TensorFlow, that is 2.8.0, and installed the latest version of TensorFlow, that is 2.9.1. So now we will understand how to install TensorFlow by using Conda package. So in this, first we will discuss how to install TensorFlow, and then we will discuss how to upgrade TensorFlow and remove TensorFlow in our system. So for this implementation, we can use mini Conda installer that contains the Conda package manager. But before you install TensorFlow, you must have already installed the mini Conda and Python on your system. So Python comes pre-installed with mini Conda. Now we will go to the start menu and type anaconda prompt and start the mini Conda prompt. So after opening the anaconda prompt system, first we will check the Python version for installing TensorFlow. So for this we are going to use the command python --version. So it is showing 3.9.7 version. So after checking the Python version, we will create an environment on Conda prompt. By default it takes the base environment. Now we will create an environment by using the command conda create --name and the environment name. In my case I will create the name my10. You will create your own environment as per your requirement. Now I will hit the enter. I will proceed Y. Yes. So here I use the environment name, that is my tense, and you can choose any name. Now to activate the environment, you can implement the command conda activate my tense, that is the environment name. So as you can see that environment name has been activated, that is my tense. So after running the command, you will see your environment name at the starting of the mini conda prompt. Now check if the my tense environment is successfully installed on system by implementing the command, that is conda env list. As you can see that my tense environment has been activated. Now to install all NumPy, Pandas and Matplot libraries in your environment. So for this we are going to use the command conda install NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib, skitlearn. So I have to install these libraries which we are going to use with the TensorFlow. So after installing all the libraries which we are need in TensorFlow, now we will install the TensorFlow library in our virtual environment. To install TensorFlow, we are going to use this command and hit the button. As you can see that TensorFlow are going to be installed. It will take some time to install in your system. Now after installing the TensorFlow in our system, I will test that everything works fine or not. For this I am going to use the command conda list. So for this command, you can easily check whether the TensorFlow library is available in the environment path or not. So as you can see that TensorBoard, TensorFlow, all the libraries has been installed. Now before creating any project in TensorFlow, you will need to verify the version of TensorFlow. To check whether TensorFlow is installed in your system or not, you must access the Python shell by using the Python in the miniconda. So for this, I am going to use the Python and verify the TensorFlow library by using import TensorFlow as tf. So after importing the TensorFlow, I will check the version of TensorFlow tf. Version. So as you can see that it displays the version, that is 2.6.0. Now if you want to remove the TensorFlow in your system, you can easily use the command conda remove TensorFlow, and it will give you the condition that whether you will remove the TensorFlow in your system or not. So in my case I will choose Y because I want to remove the TensorFlow from my system. As you can see that TensorFlow has been successfully removed. So with this we have completed how to install TensorFlow in our system.